In continuing coverage this evening, William Davis, the man who killed 4 patients at a Tyler Hart hospital, is appealing his death sentence that came down in 2021. And today, his defense hit a hurdle in that process.
The court received reports of harassment from jurors, of repeated contact from Davis's defense team. And in a status hearing today, the judge issued an order prohibiting further contact without permission from the court. That's where we find our Jesus Martinez, who joins us live from the Smith County Courthouse. Jesus, what more can you tell us about this order?
Hey, good evening, guys. Yeah, Judge Jackson called this kind of harassment, quote, a shock of the conscience to the court. And this order goes into effect immediately, but it won't have any punishments, that is, for prior contacts. Now, let's take a listen to what the judge said some of those harassment reports were.
The court has been made aware of jurors being contacted multiple times despite being told we don't want to talk to you. Jurors who have had their spouse answer the door, and when the spouse says that juror doesn't want to talk to you, there's an agitated response implying that they have a right to talk to that juror rather than take the word of the spouse. Jurors are being contacted early in the morning, late at night, interrupting family hours, dinner hours, time with kids and other family members. And the former and current employers of jurors are being contacted. And I think perhaps most egregious of all, there was an incident where members of the defense team were, quote, harassing the elderly parents of a juror at the assisted living facility where that juror's parents resided.
Now, a member of the defense said today that she wasn't aware of these facts until the state's latest filings. She did ask the judge for an opportunity to respond. Judge Jackson then told her that today's status hearing was actually made because of jurors contacting the court directly about feeling harassed. Now, like you guys mentioned, this all falls in the middle of William Davis's appeal hearing for that death conviction that he got convicted back in October of 2021. So a lot of developments still happening in this case. Back to you.
All righty, our Jesus Martinez reporting live in Smith County. Thanks for that update.